As the wheel of the year turns, we arrive at Samhain, the ancient festival of endings and beginnings. Tonight, the veil between the worlds grows thin, and the voices of those who came before us draw near. This is a sacred time to honor our ancestors, to seek their guidance, and to walk with their wisdom as we enter the dark half of the year. You do not need anything elaborate for this ritual, only your presence, your heart, and your intention. If you wish, you may gather a candle, a bowl of water, an offering of food or herbs, and perhaps a photograph or token of your ancestors. But most of all, come as you are, open to connection. Find a quiet place where you will not be disturbed. Take a moment to arrange your space. Place your candle before you. Place your bowl of water nearby. Set out any offering with love, a piece of bread, a slice of apple, a glass of wine, or a sprig of rosemary. Now, close your eyes. Imagine a sphere of golden light forming around you. This light expands, filling the room, sealing it as sacred space. No energy may enter that is not in alignment with love, wisdom, and the highest good. If you wish, you may cleanse your space with smoke, with sound, or simply with your breath, exhaling any heaviness and welcoming in clarity and peace. Let us ground ourselves. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Again, breathe in through the nose and release. Feel your body soften, your shoulders ease, your jaw relax. Now imagine roots extending from the soles of your feet deep into the earth. With every breath, feel yourself anchored, steady, safe. You are connected to the turning of the seasons, to the great rhythm of life itself. We now call in the elements to guard and bless this ritual. Facing east, we call to air. Bring us clarity, inspiration, and vision. Facing south, we call to fire. Bring us transformation, courage, and will. Facing west, we call to water. Bring us intuition, compassion, and depth. Facing north, we call to earth. Bring us grounding, protection, and strength. Light your candle now, saying, "This flame bridges the seen and unseen. May it guide my ancestors to me with warmth, with safety, and with love." Beloved ancestors of my bloodline, my spirit, and this land, I welcome you. Step through the veil and join me in this sacred rite. I honor you, I remember you, I thank you. Pause for a moment. Feel their presence. You may sense them as warmth, a soft whisper, a memory rising, or a subtle shift in the air. Trust whatever comes. If you have an offering, place it before the candle now, saying, This is my gift to you in gratitude for your guidance and your love. Close your eyes again. Take a deep breath. See yourself walking through an autumn forest at twilight. The leaves crunch beneath your feet, the air is crisp and cool, and a silver mist curls through the trees. Ahead, a path opens. At the end of the path, a great fire glows. Around it, the figures of your ancestors gather. Some you may recognize, others you may not. They welcome you with open hearts. One figure steps forward. This is the ancestor or guide who wishes to speak with you tonight. Notice how they appear. Notice the energy they carry. They look into your eyes, and silently they place a message into your heart. Allow yourself to receive it fully. It may come as words, as images, as feelings, or simply as a knowing. Trust what arises. When you are ready, imagine bowing in gratitude. The ancestor returns to the circle. The fire glows brighter, and slowly the vision fades. You find yourself back in your space, safe, grounded, and filled with love. Take a moment now to write down what you experienced. Any words, images, or sensations. Even if it seems unclear, record it. Messages often reveal their meaning over time. Ask yourself, what guidance was given? How can I honor my ancestors in my daily life? What gifts or lessons have been passed down to me that I now carry forward? This reflection is as sacred as the ritual itself. Now we release the circle and close our rite. Ancestors, beloved ones, thank you for your presence. Thank you for your guidance. Return through the veil with my love and my blessing. Extinguish your candle, saying, though this flame fades, the love between us never ends. Release the elements. East, I thank you. South, I thank you. West, I thank you. North, I thank you. See the golden sphere of light around you gently dissolving. You are safe, you are whole, and you are grounded once more. Eat a small piece of bread, fruit, or something nourishing to fully return to the present. This Samhain ritual is one you may return to every year, or whenever you feel the call to connect with your ancestors. Remember, they walk with you always. The veil may thin in autumn, but love knows no season. Carry their wisdom with you into the dark months and know that you are never alone. If you found this ritual meaningful, I invite you to share your experience in the comments. Blessed Samhain. May your ancestors walk beside you, guiding your steps and lighting your way.